So now we have this question number 10, that is, which of the following rings is highly strained ring? Okay, you have been given these four options. First is delta lepton, B is gamma lepton, C is this beta lepton, and D is delta lepton. Fine. So you have to tell which of these will have most strained structure. So as you know, what is ring strain? So ring strain you can define is like that the bond angle in any cyclic compound, when it gets deviated from the ideal bond angle, then we can say that there is a ring strain present in that cyclic structure. So smaller will be the ring, greater will be the ring strain. So as we are having different rings like 3-member ring, 4-member, 5-member, 6-member. So let us take the example just to make you understand. Like we are having this 3-member ring. Fine. Having this 3-member ring in which there is carbon-carbon bonds are present. 3 carbon-carbon bonds are present. So if I talk about this hybridization of this carbon, hybridization will be sp3. Fine. So for sp3 hybridization, we know that it is tetrahedral like structure and bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes for this. But in this cyclic structure, as you are observing, we are having the bond angle of 60 degrees. So there is difference of around, you can say, 50 degree, which means it has very high ring strain. There is a difference of bond angle, that is 50 degree. So likewise, you have that 4-member ring, 5-member, but as we increase the size of the ring, there is decrease in the ring strain. So most strained ring will be 3-member ring. But in these options, as you can see, there is no 3-member ring. Next we have is this 4-member ring in C option, which is like this. We are having this C structure like this. Fine. So this is beta lepton. So this 4-member ring will be the most strained ring, because other A, B and D, you can say A ring is 6-member ring, then B is 5-member ring, D is also 5-member ring. So these will be having less angular ring strain. So C will have the most strained structure. So C is a correct answer. Is this clear? You just have to see the ring structure and you have to tell which will be the most strained ring.